A Nigerian firm has designed a mobile COVID-19 sample collection booth to ramp up testing in Africa's most populous country. This next report has the details. For Nigeria's fight against coronavirus, this box could make all the difference. It's called the TS module, a prototype that allows medics simultaneously collect samples to be tested for COVID-19. The mobile sample collection box was designed and built within 3 weeks by Interstreet Messenger Technologies, a Lagos-based firm owned by Azuka Ijekeye. To set this up, Azuka applied his academic knowledge of biological sciences, his experience in manufacturing, combined with technology and the efforts of a small team of industrial designers, engineers and fabricators, with the aim of building a product that can help flatten the curve.
We realize that sample collection is very important, which is what leads to testing. But the biggest constraint is personal protective equipment. It is expensive, most of it is single use, and it is most required at the front line where the doctors and the nurses are attending directly to patients. So at the sample collection stage, we feel that if at that stage we can remove the need for personal protective equipment, we will be helping the cause. That means more of the personal protective equipment will be used by those in the front line. And that's where the TS module comes in.
The innovation with the TS module is that it's built with positive pressure. This means that air does not flow from the outside into the booth, and so it's sterile, a condition that allows medics collect samples without wearing protective personal gear, without touching patients, and without the risk of contracting the virus. But there's more to this design.
It's something that's been done in Korea, but they had single-use booths. But strictly designed for our need is the TS model. This booth is a 2-station booth to start with. 2-station because we realize that we're 200 million people. And we're an economy that, again, we need to maximize the use of every fund that we invest. For that reason, we have put in 2 stations. So there is a simultaneous collection of sample on both sides of the booth. That ensures that the return on investment is ramped up.
And this was built by local hands with locally sourced materials.
Everything for the design came from here. The choice of what was used for the structure, the choice of the cladding, even the sensors that were used, everything was obtained locally. So we didn't have any help from abroad.
Interstreet projects that with 20 of their booths, each state can test almost 5,000 samples daily, proving to be a prototype that can help the NCDC achieve its target of testing 50,000 people in 36 states by July 2020. Aneta Felix, TV360, Lagos, Nigeria.